with two different colors. I'm just gonna pour my darkest color inside my mold here. Once your first yellow is ready and set, you're gonna take the light one and you're gonna pour just like that. It's gonna create this beautiful color. Now our jello is now set. Let's put here some cornflakes that I just mixed to create a sandy beach. Perfect. We have our sandy beach here. Thank you, great. Let's start now our beautiful cake. Perfect. So I have my sponge here and buttercream that we're gonna poach in the center. And now let's smash everything together. So I want to create like a clay to be able to build after my shark head. Once you have your cake mix here, I'm gonna take a large amount of it and we're gonna start building our shark. So let's keep the idea of the head, and you can take the mix here. Once your head is shaped like that, I'm gonna take my buttercream and we're gonna cover it entirely. The cream will also help you to shape it and create a beautiful shark head. Once you're done with your white buttercream here, we're gonna start making the gray part. Once you have your gray buttercream here, we're gonna take some fondant, it's a red one, and I'm gonna put it inside the shark mouth. Once you have this here, I'm gonna take some marshmallow that I cut in two. The marshmallow here, as it's cut, you have the sticky part that's gonna stick to the fondant. The last tip here, beautiful. Now, I'm gonna take some icing here that I made, and you're just gonna start painting a little bit. Perfect. Perfect. And now, let's create your nose here. And now let's make him some gills. So I'm just gonna open them here. Let's put our glasses here inside our shark head. So I'm just gonna push them inside. Of course, the blood is outside. The last one here. And this poor little girl just was eaten by the shark. Let's bring the beach. So I have my jello here and my beautiful bloody shark there. Let's take it and put it inside the ocean. Really carefully. A little piece of glass here. And look at this amazing megalodon. Beautiful.